anti-scalp wheels. Very nice. And the hardware. Let's get them on. So we are going to start off by taking this one off here. Seems to be stuck on there. Uh-oh. All right, let's get a hammer. Now the cool thing about the ones from FridayParts is that they have Zerk fittings. These ones did not. So obviously they seized up inside the sleeve. Yep. Those are going to be a bear to get out. The bolt had seized itself inside that metal sleeve there. Okay, as you can see, we have our brand new anti-scalp wheel. I'm going to go ahead and insert our bolt. There we are. Very nice. Oh, that one we got lucky on. Very nice. As you can see here, this one completely destroyed. We are just going to go ahead and cut this one off. So let's get these off of here. There's one. Well, we're going to make a decision here to skip this one, and I'm going to order a new bracket. Let's move on to the other one. Okay, last one. Back it off a little bit. There we go. Okay. Thanks to our friends at FridayParts, we are finished with this project.